How to connect Logitech G535 to phone, full guide 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect Logitech G535 to phone. So first of all, you have to know your connection mode, like a compatible cable like 3.5 mm audio. G535 supports wired mode via its headphone jack, or a Bluetooth transmitter like G535 doesn't have built-in Bluetooth. For wired connection via 3.5 mm jack, get a compatible 3.5 mm cable like TRS audio plus mic loop through 1.5 meter long, and insert one end to the G535's headphone jack. Plug the other end into the phone's headphone jack or USB-C Lightning to 3.5 mm adapter. On your phone, go to Settings, Sound, and ensure headphones are selected. And you should hear audio. Use headset mic as needed. Look for a microphone icon, and the pros are simple, no latency. Cons are wired only, limits movement. So if you want to connect it wireless via Bluetooth adapter, so you have to buy a small Bluetooth transmitter or adapter like battery powered, supports headphone mode, TRRS, plug into the G535's 3.5 mm jack, turn it on and put it pairing mode. Light blinking on your phone, go to Bluetooth settings and pair with the transmitter. It will show as BT, something like that. Audio is not transmitted to the headset wirelessly, wireless up to 10 meter, and the cons are adds latency like 50 to 200 ms, depend on the adapter quality. So wired is best for like free mobile game or audio. Wireless via adapter works but adds some latency. Choose a high quality IPTX model. No native Bluetooth on G535, so cable or adapter is essential for phone use. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.